Simply replaces the 7-way connector that came with your vehicle. Provides 7 RV blade and 4-wire flat towing. All accessories included for easy installation. Plugs directly into OEM, original equipment manufacturer, wiring system. Impact and corrosion resistant. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. Multi-tow connectors give you the ability to tow trailers with different wiring connectors from the same vehicle connector. Top reviews from the United States. OEM connector kit for trailer harness. I installed on my 2006 Chevy Avalanche. Factory plug fit perfectly. I had to drill through the bumper plate next to the license plate to install. 1 3/4 drill bit does not allow harness plug to clear in this install format, so I had to use a metal file to enlarge the hole. Harness had 4 corner fastener locations and allowed a very secure connection to the bumper using the included bolt and nuts. I like that this has separate 4-point and 7-point plug openings. The weather covers are tight and functional. Great kit, nice price, pretty easy to install with basic tools.